What role does forensic psychology play in witness credibility? Imagine sitting in a courtroom, listening to a witness tell their story. How do judges and jurors decide if what they say is true? That's where forensic psychology steps in. It's like having a mental health expert help sort fact from fiction. Forensic psychologists look at how a witness's mind works. They check if the person's memory is clear or if stress, trauma, or biases might have changed what they remember. For example, if someone saw an accident but was very scared, their memory might be fuzzy or altered. Psychologists can tell if that's normal or if it might affect how believable the testimony is. They also analyze how consistent the witness's story is over time. If a person changes details or seems unsure, a forensic psychologist might see signs of deception or suggestibility. They use special tests and interview techniques to spot if a witness is trying to hide something or if their memory has been influenced by outside factors. For example, leading questions or repeated interviews can sometimes distort what someone recalls. In court, these psychologists often serve as expert witnesses. They explain their findings in simple terms so judges and jurors understand how psychological factors might impact a witness's credibility. They might say, for instance, that a witness's confidence does not necessarily mean their memory is accurate. Or they might explain how trauma can affect recall, helping the court interpret testimonial evidence more accurately. Forensic psychologists also help legal teams prepare witnesses. They write detailed reports about a person's mental state and how it could influence their testimony. They might suggest the best way to present a witness's story to avoid bias or misinterpretation. Their work helps the court decide whether a witness's statement is trustworthy. Since testimonial evidence often plays a key role in verdicts, understanding the psychological aspects behind a witness's credibility is vital. It helps prevent false or misleading testimony from swaying the case unfairly. In the end, forensic psychology helps the legal system be more fair. It provides an objective look at how mental and emotional factors can shape what witnesses say. This way, judges and jurors can make better decisions based on a clearer picture of the truth.